Okay, this is the super fun game that I have attached for you. This is an ABC game. I know you used to play ABC in first grade, and maybe you played it a little bit in second grade as well. If your computer at home or your iPad or whatever you're on that's my dog, does not support this game, I'm so sorry. Just get right into your writing and see if you can add some contractions into your information writing. If it does support this game, click on the link, press the triangle, and press the practice button first. And here's how you play. They are. You need to look up here and find which words are the contraction for they are. Is it there, or there? Well, this one has the apostrophe, so I'm going to go with that one. There. Let's see if I get it. Pull it back. Let's see, get a good angle. Let go. Got it. That will. The will? Nope. That'll. This one, that'll do. That'll do. Uh-oh, got the wrong one. Let me try again. I always have a hard time in this corner. I feel like there's like a trick that I don't know. Oh, I got it. That'll. I'm going to keep on going. Y-R. No, that one has all the letters. This one might be it. This one doesn't even have an apostrophe. Y-R, wire. Why are you so hungry? I really am. I wish I had some cheese. You are. That one doesn't have an apostrophe. That one doesn't have an apostrophe. That one does. You are doing okay, Mrs. Carlson. Yes. I'm so bad at that corner. I play this like 10 minutes now, and I hardly ever get them. Surprised I am. When would you do that? When would? When out? When? When'd you do that? When did you do that game? Oh, man. Anyways, I can just keep on playing all day. I'm going to stop. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. Remember, it's like a weird angle like this? Yes. Okay, I'm going to stop for now. You go ahead and give it a try. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to show you. There is another way you can play this game. Let me see if I can get out of this. Let's see. Remember, that was just the practice round. There's also the arcade. This one's a little bit harder. Let us. So what you have to do is find the contraction first. This one, let's. Not this one because this one has all the letters. This one is something that you eat, lettuce, which I do like. But I want cheese, not lettuce. Let's see. Now I gotta try to hit that one. Nope. You get a whole bunch of chances. Oh, I got it. I got it. Are not. Nope, the contraction for a not is between the N and the T, so it has to be this one. It's not ain't. Okay. Yes. Seriously, I could do this all day. Something has. Something as. That's all the letters. Somethings. Something as. Nope, it's this one. Something. Something has. Oh my gosh, something has come between it. I don't know. I gotta try to go around it. Oh gosh. Are you cheering for me? I hope you are. What did we say? Please, please. Oh! Nope. I'm not gonna go. You can let go of the video if you want, but I'm not gonna stop until I get this. Yes! Something has. Okay. I'm gonna stop for now for the video. I'm not really gonna stop in real life because I'm gonna keep on going. But you go ahead and click on the video and give it a try too. And I'm so sorry if your computer does not support this. Try to get some help from a grown-up. Enable some cookies if you have that. And see what you can do. But if you can't, just get right into your information writing. Have fun with contractions. Be lazy like me.